Welcome to our video tutorial on how to solve aptitude and reasoning tests. Aptitude and reasoning tests are commonly used in various assessments, job interviews, and competitive exams. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies to improve your performance in these tests. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding aptitude tests. Aptitude tests evaluate your problem-solving skills, numerical ability, logical reasoning, and critical thinking. To excel in these tests, it's important to understand the types of questions you may encounter. Let's explore a few common question types. 1. Numerical reasoning. These questions assess your ability to work with numbers, data interpretation, and mathematical calculations. 2. Verbal reasoning. These questions test your comprehension, vocabulary, and logical understanding based on written passages. 3. Abstract reasoning. These questions evaluate your logical thinking, pattern recognition, and ability to solve abstract problems. 4. Logical reasoning. These questions assess your ability to analyze patterns, make deductions, and draw conclusions. Section 2. Tips for solving aptitude and reasoning tests. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's discuss some effective strategies to improve your performance in aptitude and reasoning tests. 1. Time management. These tests are often time-constrained. Practice solving questions within a specified time limit to enhance your speed and accuracy. 2. Understand instructions. Read instructions carefully before attempting any question. Misinterpreting instructions can lead to errors. 3. Review sample questions. Familiarize yourself with different question types by practicing sample questions available online or in books. This will help you understand the patterns and concepts behind each question type. 4. Develop problem-solving techniques. Learn and practice various problem-solving techniques like identifying keywords, eliminating answer choices, and using logical reasoning to approach complex problems. 5. Enhance mathematical skills. Strengthen your numerical abilities by practicing mental calculations, improving your knowledge of basic formulas, and working on speed and accuracy in calculations. 6. Analyze and evaluate. After solving a question, take a moment to review your answer, ensuring it aligns with the given information. Avoid hasty decisions. Section 3. Test-taking strategies. In addition to the tips mentioned, let's discuss some test-taking strategies that can help you maximize your score. 1. Prioritize easy questions. Begin with questions that you find relatively easier to boost your confidence and save time for more challenging ones later. 2. Manage negative marking. If there is negative marking, avoid random guessing. Instead, focus on questions where you have a reasonable chance of getting the correct answer. 3. Stay calm and focused. Maintain a calm and composed mindset throughout the test. Anxiety can negatively impact your performance. 4. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving your aptitude and reasoning skills. Dedicate time to solve questions regularly to build your confidence and familiarity with different question types. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to solve aptitude and reasoning tests. Remember, regular practice, understanding question types, and implementing effective strategies will significantly enhance your performance. So, keep practicing and best of luck in your future assessments and exams. Thank you for watching. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy learning!